It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yamamo akwaba. Afrika sebano echiremu enim. Ghana mampene John Dramani Mahama. Edensem atudwa echiremisem. Aswafo a ono ankasa eden krata. Ede koma wano mechira mo se wafo mamuntu mabua na memonu konkan no. Ode toma num sem. Eye match busme twa mu yi. Ankane de toso aduasa baako. Wamo maden se japade bia da sa aswafo no wo. Omeka nkyira Ghana fo no mu nikle na Ghana fo nyina hu se osimesi anaso obenten. Me wa hyen sei. Me wo fie se me wonsase se na Ghana fo nyina fo mo no kotua wo se mfa ni eche na me yadom. Na so osom na so okofe ye hu ajapade a wasenya de aka ho bio. Ghana man pani chirem se. O kan sam we de to na aswafo ne o man nya ntum. Wo man nya ne sane senti ene. Aswafo bom din no de dibresha monsa na nso ne. Mantimi end kra mo asete no. Meka se de bosom makoma na yakatua de 2010 monsa nka. Sebe ya bebo na se kire bi no pani bo din na so de asem to utiri mu a. Wo bedi so memra ya adwuma. Ghana man pani chirem se. Ademoto a wotu opese o man na membo de baya soronko. Na nipa bi obo ne di so masom na ban mu no watimi de man hye pa atimi ede ya adwuma. Na na Ghana man pani di sendo tu dwa eye code of conduct. Ebe bo nipa yo besom na ban mu no wadi hye so no. Wakasa chirem se nima ba ko bebo ne nyina ne se. Ukwa akosoma de edikan curating conflict of interest there be adwuma kwa akosoma no enkofa abansi kan koye ne ma bi fa ma ho enza na banche wa obeyi wadi ebien so Ghana man pani se yenka ncha na point ni na ne se ukwa akosoma na ban ma enkwa nkwaje akyede ana se favor bia fa firi obi nchen na mba be pa adwuma nti we de minister we de 20000 we de nkaje na nkaja mmekwanya na mmeso no se de bi Ghana man pani se wogi se sika na obeyi wadi enkwa nkwaje favor ana se gift bia ne bodu wogi a obeyi wadi afin so toso miensa Ghana man pani chirem se wo gya akyade mpo akyade na nya kitua bi kete wese enya den so beba kwan ma onipa no wakokoma ne favor no ade oban sika de akoma no ebiem so kwaji sika be 20000 Ghana cedis sika da dem 200 million na Ghana man pani se wompene sai sika na wo gya declare na Ghana fo nyina hu se sika we na ba sika so awache no enya wo de bu aban ma ne ma konka de ma mabu enya sa na wo chewa dan to awase ma obeyi wadin de twato Ghana man pani se yanka nkyere na apprentice ne say wa wo be yusu aban sika ede ya kyade de ma nipa bi ene hampers na wakyekye de ma nipa bi sa abasobode o kyem se ompene ente sa de abasobode manya kete wese kitua bi nipa bi abɔ adwuma aso ani nti we de kitua bi monye na nhye mu kran obete ase obi so kwana humugye monye kakra mfa nya ne kwan obete ase ente sa pass ma kyekye hampers akasie mo bete mu wiase kente kwakwaya akyade de Ghana man peni so okyewa waso be den ye pa ma Ghana man peni kasa ne nsem mu kyeremu no enie
18th February 2025, I set a deadline of 31st March 2025 for all appointees who are taking office or being nominated at the time to declare their assets. An update provided by the Auditor General to my office indicate that some of you failed to meet that deadline. For all those who are appointed or nominated before 31st March 2025 and failed to meet the deadline, you are to forfeit 3 months of salary to be donated to the Ghana Medical Trust Fund, named after me, Mahama Cares. In addition to 1 month's salary that I've asked all appointees to donate to the Mahama Cares Trust Fund. So it means that those who omitted to declare assets by the date, you are paying 4 months' salary to Mahama Cares.
Ekwia donko osinye no enti mu a Ghana man pani bomu ni ze monkosom na make say time ode hia mo se mu ni kra mo asset na manye no Ghana man pani say abosume mako nan sika oje e de akokoka Mahama Care Foundation na kobo makose ni pa yade afiri se mo maso odin ye pam ne kwakra mu na Ghana man pani say yansan kantre na apprentice ni nyina say pempen wasi ni pen nyakopo ya adoma bosuma yo mende to sonson se wantimi and declare assets mempanifo ahunu se we de ajapade se na me wa paade ya wankasa wayi hu adi tontentan wa appointment no believe working na china hwe ade a wapin ho.
However, if by close of day Wednesday 7th May 2025 any of you still fails to declare your assets, count yourself automatically dismissed, because when it comes to protecting the integrity of this government, I will not compromise. Citizen engagement and reporting. Accountability does not end at the walls of this room and in just one code of conduct. I invite the citizens of Ghana to play a role in monitoring compliance of this code. A portal will be created for the public to report suspected breaches with guarantees of confidentiality and impartial investigation.
And yeah, what ye Ghana Mampany, John Dramani Mahama.
Yantua Kasiabone so no Mampany John Dramani Mahama, Dr. Parkway Sibe, du son MBA Chief Executive Officer, CEO. Enfema Konfanochi Teaching Hospital Ewo Kumase Ewa Abra Professor Agyei Sikapa saye no edie free adwumam na say ginasie we ebeto odwa wa abra ye official statement bi ebeto monten so for so bosom ni de to so ye aduasa ewo mfimpi mienu ni aduonu num a chese Callistus Mahama ono ye chochofo edemo mampani ede ni nsa ehya ase na letter omode bra Dr. Bedu yi ade ekita emra odibedi dwuma ewo ye Ghana Health Service and Teaching Hospital Act 1996 Act 525 mu achese no anode ba bedi dwuma na abro mu ye Professor Agyei Sikapa no anche bia na chese Dr. Bedu so no mu yi ni so na eme CEO ema ye Konfanochi Teaching Hospital no nam so ma hu bi ekoso wo honom akankan na ye asantem mabunu na wo honom no chire ma kebe ya komampani John Dramani Mahama emomodin no sanfa ye Professor Agyei Sikapa embra emeye CEO FM Konfanochi Teaching Hospital into when in sema abetoja
say any power for Kokosumo Konfanochi won ya de pa ye power for dia ya de nyame ase sika yenko ye ne mabre nu tenom na yanto akase ebo no so enene edamuko ma hye batwam ene manyakwa hodo bi etena ase chire mu sem Ghana Mampany John Dramani Mahama enam koti kwan epesem otu Chief Justice o man Ghana temofo penin ehwe to de tu anwam nti enya de ombepene so kram nene emra MPP caucus eni nipa hodo o maka ho am o mkokọ ye kire wo na adwa dam kotonima boss me to so num ena mu kire mu sem ene wono mu nchede obi yada every sem Chief Justice Gertrude Alaba Esa Batokuno omuni ma de kro de Ghana Mampany John Dramani Mahama ne nti wabɔ no homoden sɛ opese otu this edifri no dwumadi esu na mo tem sɛ mo mpene ne kram na mra ne domukuma mu kasamafo da wo ma no o ma se betwam Alexander Fonyama ken kasa mu ena wo kire mu sem Ghana Mampany John Dramani Mahama ne posifo na homba mo bubu mo nyina pre obi antumi adwuma fo agye mo tumi nya da fri o mo nsem eno wachi nso o man Ghana temu ho nsensem Ghana Mampany de ne asi so kire mu sɛ o Mampany na aden ede na wo gi na o manyim bone ben pa na ede ayo fri sem Akane Governor Bank of Ghana Dr. Ernest Addison umamukotata no ekwaji ni nsam sika na japade ade fre ne nsa afin so kan folata Akane Ghana photo samfon so muko se na japade ekwaji ni nsam niam a wanyina ne monbone ya Ghana Mampany tu a omo ntrase ya no enya hwe ama Ghana Mampany emfa ne pe enya de ope omo ni nsam sei ade tuja.
We believe that in a democracy, the way to do it is through a peaceful conduct like we have embarked upon and to register our protest. We started with the judiciary where we presented a petition, the same petition to the judicial
DLFM
for onward transmission to the Judicial Council. We went to Parliament, the clerk to Parliament received us on behalf of the Speaker. We expect that the petition will be brought to the House floor once the House resumes for deliberation. And finally, to the principal actor himself. We believe that what is happening is not. There must be an end to this issue of do me or do it. There must be an end to retaliatory politics. In Ghana today, all of us as political actors have a story to tell. Where do we end the vicious cycle? It is not yielding to the whims of hawks and hardliners in our respective political parties.
Enwachi and Alexander Afonyoma ken kasa mu ana wa say yan kan kira Ghana Mampany John Dramani Mahama say make say no when ntia so ma omode adi nkomo ye pa openi pa no na de o man Ghana yan abatoa no electoral commission no opese wo ho ye ma meje mensa etu no difra ba nwan so madi ho nkomo pa pese ode NC ni kwesi wonti sa na montu a Ghana Mampany etu yi eya de bone na yetena mem na sabi obi aba no ba ye de opese de na o man ye koye ana say ye baye.
It is a betrayal of the values enshrined in our constitution, merit, partiality, and service to the nation, not to any political party. And as if the shameful attacks on the Chief Justice were not enough, His Excellency the President plans to turn his diabolic sight on the Electoral Commission. Just as several of his party's plans are far advanced to dismantle the current commission and replace its leadership with loyal NDC operatives. This is no longer speculation. It is an unfolding conspiracy. The goal is clear: to seize total control of the democratic process and bend future elections to the will of one man and his party.
Enwachi and Alexander, Afanyo market 2 and 7 in which musem. And I make us say God man penny, or penny poor bonny day, so may I buying lawyer penny non quenching your swafwa. Obasho Mangana at attendance or Dr. Dominic Ayene. Or by ye, and this among your Kodimuma. One basumi ye, and when this about that demo we are gonna seek a gumbo to moon. Or much to a fiasse, Eddie Bico Germans, got a man penny by where Jawa Munya from what could not let me say Sabi. So my quarter a year operation to cover all loot, eba tata Ghana this year. Abajom Sam Sikadia, add the antenna one kata Sabi. And Puna Adawania Sini ye free wa wumping to man penny and more to be any what their dance say. Obasoba Boagan and Mum Dadana, and what about my Ghana so.
The Attorney General, far from being guardian of justice, has been reduced to a partisan tool, sweeping away prosecutions against NDC officials who allegedly were involved in all manner of malfeasance during the first administration of President Mahama. Now entangled in a web of allegations and counter-allegations, he has become a perfect reflection. They now choose which judge to sit on a particular case. And we've seen the transfer of a particular judge to preside on the case. An example again is Mr. Adwoa. How a suspect who is on bail could be remanded in custody.
Any out here, a copy of my no and a domcumano banutini, Neden Edoniam for Alexander Afenyo Makin. And watching a deputy chief of staff, a stand dogby, Himself Kratana, or come on Nisaka, Nagana man penny, John Dramani Mahama, dear. Uncle Biaka Shabon sending Yamuda, Opeso Yach, or Yachra Quanta on Cocoyo Yachimum from Aquasana and Kama Pam. O Chiremsa Banada Bay, or Momadin once when the Ghana 4 pound woman is sent in there. The Ghana man penny boy, you remember the petition about some primo or Chief Justice, the Ononia Samoka, or Madia Sana committee, the committee in Becanano, and also a bit on the same say, at the Central Winning.
President, let me say that we are happy that the process started this morning and has ended very peacefully. That in itself is a very strong message about the democracy that President Mahama wants to instill in our dear country. If it were the case like this over the past 8 years, I'm sure that the retaliatory politics that we talk about wouldn't have been the case. You referencing retaliatory politics as an admission that the 8 years of President Akufo-Addo and Mahama were not the best for this country. You can be assured, however, that President Mahama, as every Ghanaian knows, is not that politician. President Mahama does not believe in retaliatory politics. He is described as, too much of a father for all kind of president. And everybody knows that. Whatever actions that are being taken now, whatever decisions that are being taken now, as everybody knows, is in line with the provisions of our 1992 Constitution. Indeed, before President Akufo-Addo left the presidency, he himself had started a certain process where issues were brought to him about the Chief Justice, and he referred them to the Council of State. And that is what President Mahama has done. It is not about retaliating on something that was done by the previous administration against President Mahama or the NDC.
And near Wuti, a deputy chief of staff, Neden Edistan Dogby. Ne kwa kramono ana cannot try for penny at the MP Pamano John Bodu H. Remisem. Ghana man penny maybe a chem, Equagina Simpia Sonia Passo, Epre or Mampenia Quanaka Ghana for Swaba, Chief Justice, Obertunisa Banch and the sent to it. And so I want to say, been a Chilacata petition or Bois, Ghana man penny John Dramani, Manwaka Chilacata man, on to it. On Wagasan Abon Trimopase or Peso 2 Chief Justice, Edifini Jumedia, ODSO.
President Mahama himself on a platform said that they are going to change the Chief Justice. So I will not be surprised that he is the one who wrote the petition to himself. I'm not surprised. I'm stating it as a fact that he has said on platforms that they are going to change the Chief Justice. Then he becomes president. He wrote a petition to himself. Remember before the year 2000, there was this gentleman called Apollo. He was the one always obstructing our electoral process. On flimsy situations. You remember when the Supreme Court ruled that all Ghanaians with or without ID cards should vote. He sent it to court indicating that and Tony Edi led the charge that they have 2 million people who, for them, they were not able to register. They didn't have ID card. They should be allowed to vote. So I am not surprised, and I'm not suggesting.
Any awuti ye ayakane otwetwerefo penin edema MP Piamanyoku no John Boadum. Yanto akase bon se yanko piemu e wo finfiri matem na we yanko piemu e wo Breman asantem eno na wo Breman asukuma odoben brakwa eno e wo finfiri mantenum na adehia waroma wonom ye oyokwa adehi busua e kiremu sem empenifo atras ba besu ohene fufura wo ye Breman asantem a wonom ebo enyoso kram na adehia na e kiremu a okopiemu e wo ye Breman asantem a eye oyokwa busua no omugo to ni abusua omo wotumi se ombetimi ayi obi se ono enkonko de hene e wo Breman asentem to munim de ntie ne enipa afro enipa bi abusua bi afa kuntu na se akobo nipa afro din se ono enkonko ye ohene emfa ma de hia wono eye Breman asentem nende emna mfa nsentwerefo nhia mum na de ye kasebo ye na musini otonkra e de ma yen eye Emmanuel Opoku adizado abon ma ne se DJ Active copy mum ena de hia ye kire mu se ne ye nchede o ye nchede o bia na ye bisa mo se na mo Dian panti na mokoko apaise na muchire mse ebo me nana asem nyane so bapie mu e wo Breman asentem a yankuto yokwa busua no ene ye wakwanya se betimi ama busua panin eye obi edina kwakwama openipo no eye Breman asikuma odoben brakwa mpotem honom eye parliament chief ohine papa da krona no ono kran so ene ye Central Regional House of Chiefs eye odefo eye amoakwa buadua otoso eya ngwotwe se onye no na ọma no homade anu wonsu na meye openi pa mada krona nom nanso o kiremu se nimpa bi afa kuntu na se adedin foforo openi anedin ade Mr Asani de kwakoma parliament chief ade ma Breman asikuma se ono na wonye ntum na papa yo mesuai woni mu kiremu se ne hyehye ne koso ho no ma mu kiremu se mo bonyo so kram na mra mo ka se na mu kiremu se yanka nkira parliament chief anedin ade eye nana boadu anase nana eye boadu edin se onhwe ne hu ye pa visa ne moto a wotu na moboko nyoso kram na panipa ogina mo na se ma me ogina mu ekasema abusua pani eye afua bi e kire mu sem o man kasa dum pempenso bi mpo eye abusua ko nyama wade eye echese ne krado kotu mu e kire mu sem wade mo mpene mo bi ankodi akonwa se visa de shibusua na mkuto nipa wo betime ayi obi osafata ba kosom adehia mo ye Breman asentem nanso ne ohene no e de nipa ne soja fa kwata tawo na makopam wo mo akobodem akwakoyi akonwa de apia ne omusu ohene nti o magaze kire mu sem Ghana man penny John Dramani Mahama Kabi afin suppose fu anka bebisa ni moto na mutu na mobo nyo so mo mpese basa e be koso e wo Breman asente o de same thing e de to di e kase bonim
asama asia busua mu ne de o ma hen esikwa ma hen o de dom o de bachire o hinya yanti ase yanti ase kura wo from efobi me ya sentem oyekọ royal ebusua number 1 o ma hen oni yan di no wenwen kura na yanti ase ni senti ne da by 11 years ni ebusua pani o de ohini bi kwe na ya hema so o ti ase wo kware nkrofu ya sisiare wo be na amahin wade atumi ya ba ya hima o pante tra one day wondi ade wabadom yan awa busua ni mu nti obi agbadom e dede ampredo na wo fa ni ndi ade ampara anyeye ya de obi akwa na dem krofi woni na mase
DLFM 106.9
o mahin atituma gba akwa buadu nana a o ti agwa no do yetum hu de ono no mama ya him biara ye no bako biara anyeye nkrofi ya hima wa appoint a kire yentum hu ade kura ono wanwo enti mbere kakrai me yahu anda wode ahemfo e prosefo wabo buya ahemfia ekundwa edem enam da asomdwe inni agwan ho nintin asomdwe mba da awode wachiro hin nintin ya tutu abubu ni nara ya abubom wabo bum wabo fa ya gwa wodokwo enda so ya bra ya so ase last week ya bra ya so ase wabo so ya ohin wo friend na sane na ya hima na ya busua pani wa pant a kira ne de on the aden wo ha be kwa ho inda due wasi wo puen enti ya ni abranka sanka na bibiara so awode ya de dan bibiara wode dan aba anoti na ya di abadan some trafo da won bo ayan na kwa bem na bang na so o hwehwe made na ohu enti ya ha ye ni abrankasa
eni a woti ye ayoyoko adehibusua eno no wo breman asentem maame ogina ne mu kasa de mabusua panin ne den de afua bi ne kwakura mu no ena eye oyoko abusua eye abusua ku a eno no wo breman asentem members ni bi kire mu sem bibie ne ho a ohene papa no ena da eye National House of Chief anasem ena Central Regional House of Chief na no therefore amoakwa buadu no to so enwotwe no obeye bi omontiase ne entiase kire fisa ne moto otu no etietie mena se bi enimpa won qualify so obeye hene na odi ne ko se do muhunu se bisika na pepe wajagu ne botomu nti otwene mutane abetene mpo ye pa manso no bekọ so ne mpanifo ahwe ni ya ntokọ abesi odobem ba kwa ne mpotemu no jeso jafo ba
Yusuf Bafo Mohammed alias Ya Bafo ne fi Breman Asentem na nyeme bia o mahe odo ye hen no ye ngintum because asam na court akona nanim we dey almost 14 years mfa na bra wajina by force ade won si dem nipa no ma wa ba wo ba chi hen no ebuso onim wonje mpenfo bia la anko oyoku number 1 Asentem royal family bia la anko ma wo ba chi nipa no Regent Oboto no ade ori regent concern ko budan no by force be egwanda no ko bu no okoje egwa no but kole no che by force ona na wo be chi na o mai se wo chi no to na wo chi na ebusa so ye hwa kole wo de enfa no enso ye ni ye ngintum kra jan se mpenifu ye fra mu no ye yakọ na mpenifu no aban mpenifu no wa te na wo di hujuma ma ye because o mai no osisi ye eskuma ma ye
eni a woti ye aya adehia wonom eye oyoko eye adehibusua eno no wo breman asentem wo breman esikuma odoben brakwa eno wo fifi mante na mu kire mi sem ene wonom nchede obi ya so mbetena se pa no ma hina ono ne da breman esikuma odoben brakwa ano pa se nana odefo pa mama no kwan pa mo odefo eye odefo amoakwa buadu a otoso nwotwe pa de nipa afro se kwamwa se ye mra nya omno mu yi ne de ene eketuo nto wono ne na atie na mane boye yensem twire ni Emmanuel opoku adusi dodo abonam na ne se DJ active ene de amane boye ebesom yen sika yen ko yanim
Yanto akase bone so na Bank of Ghana de nsema betudwa kire se yade omesan Matilda Asante Asiedu so na ye second deputy governor na ye dwumadie no ekoso yawada kotoni ma abosemni de toso mienu ewo fimpini mienu ni aduonu numu abre ye omanpani John Dramani Mahama edi yanim ewo ye Jubilee House na ye Mrs Asante Asiedu yade omuyi no edefa ye Bank of Ghana mamra ne ho sanso na omuyi ne sanso wonimdi a ye didi dwuma ewo ye sikakrabia hono na asa na ombe yi ne nso no ye adwuma se eye group head of retail bank banking ewo Access Bank Ghana ewo ye PLC na yade awadi dwuma bebre ewo ye sikakrabia ni mo wo experience nsu bebre no kita certificate ewo ye Chartered Institute of Bankers Ghana sanso no wo eye MBA in marketing efri eye Gimpa Business School sanso na journalism studies na efri eye Cardiff University no ehonso na yade awakonya ni nimde bebre ewo ye universities bebre na abra ya Matilda Asante Asiedu ekasa na ochese yade ode ahobrase ene ani so emudo age atumu so obeye second deputy Bank of Ghana governor.
To serve at this level at such a crucial moment in our nation's economic history is both an honor and a solemn duty, and I do not take it lightly at all. As the second deputy governor of the Bank of Ghana, I pledge to uphold the highest standards of integrity, transparency, and professionalism. I will work closely with the governor and the first deputy governor, the board, and the exceptional staff at the Bank of Ghana to strengthen our institutional framework, build a robust and resilient financial system, and consolidate the trust and confidence that Ghanaians have in our financial system. Mr. President, permit me to express my admiration for the Governor, Dr. Johnson Panditi-Siama, and the Second Deputy, Dr. Zachary Mumuni, for the leadership they have demonstrated so far. Under their stewardship, as you mentioned, the Bank of Ghana, through forward-looking measures, has been able to manage inflation, stabilize the currency, and continue to rebuild investor and public confidence. And I'm truly proud to be joining a team that is firmly focused on enhancing credibility and resilience in our monetary and financial system.
Enya uti ye Mrs. Matilda Asante Esiedo Sese na second Deputy Bank of Ghana.
Yan to aka se bo se ko pie mu wa pie mantem ne mu dia. Na onyene popo no na wa si akwa. Ne den ade da so bre Dr. Ampofo a otoso mienu ade nsema todwa ekire mu sem. Yemfa baso bo kese pa. Emfa ma Ghana Post Service ana afenso. Eye Nigerian Post Service adwumade o mabɔ no ekɔ nka ne pene bi sense na ye de na asi na ekire mu sem. Wono mo de hia ofiri asi akwa ne den de amasewa. Okopie mu ewa Nigeria mema nimpa bi etumi fa no mu e de tuo ene ngrante ene akode de senu sese. Ene maame se wupo se wompo fra busuafo na ka kira mo se abansa account enya sika bote na ni mu odupie pam. Sante sa ye nya wo ne enya wo kina. Na na ka se na wo kyerem se awrahusem wei asiyem. Ewo eye oforiso obusum ne da oforiso obusum num. Ewo mfempem mienu ene edunu no mu. Ewo mna asem bae na de hwam wasi akwanyina nso no kogu jema fisa asem wodie. Wonom entene panin sam da. Na mra na ene de ka se bon sam training. Kontinu kofi abotutwen komo apie mantem da sebre Dr. Twum ampo fotoso mienu. Oye asi akwahene ono kran so na kopie mu. Ewo eye ochema nso na ye ochema ni fahene ekire mu sem. Ama sawa busua bebo na manede na asem asie ni wona jele me no mo kye ne se dabi. Munkwa ye posifo asutina posifo mo ho ye ntentem. Na mo mra visa asem wasi de wei epantoma kram. Na nase ote asem no wanda so no bo no homoden ekwobo posifo amane se. Kidnappers etimi acha ama sawa na jele ntimo moden ammo ne sika mo gie no. Emodu ye pa da sebra ekire mu sem. Obo no homoden adase kwadan. Eye National Police Headquarters ebo homade de fidie gu akwan bo mode anhwehwe mu pam ne mekase no enipa bonfo yatimi achewa no mu ye pam ochema ni fa hene se yanka ncha Ghana de se nyina nsem Ghana Post Service ni Nigeria Post Service ye mo mabaso ye padwumade o mabɔ no ekɔ nka ne ye pana na aka se ekire mu sem adehia konwa ewasi akwa mu nyina mo bɔ adehima nyina batetiru ene okwi mfa mo ho sem proudly asi akwa o ma ya de pa ne kodo mo kwan ni sika mo yidi bo aye pan yakopon hira mo ye pana adehia mo moden ebo ya mekese no eye omunua ba ne dindi amasewe wanom ensaka na ekire misa no mo pa Ghana Police Service fu atu no yemo abaso express mo mo tu ni mo de pa sabi anama no the same thing edo to die kase bonim
kidnappers edin sawaso nya kidnappers be ka che omo bia no we advise you omo say omo mbo police for amane na police for omo the necessary information no mo tin fa your investigations na omo tin fa track it sa kidnappers down kidnappers enim say police for omo no mo sophisticated machines to say cyber tracking devices are omo tin that tracking for internet so be potting asa nkofo yi ewo nti no media men na megidie na ewo police for no ena nananom egunsa e de bompaye say e ma ade boni bia ento ye de hye ewo kroma ewo amanone nti no sebe ubisa me a anamo ametu ye ne de e police service ene ye local police ene national police ene omo na me ne omo din sawaso and ubisa me a me nyaje papa Ghana police mo mayade mo bojuma Ghana police service me tu chema mo ye de shemu a ampa mo ni ye hwamoda Nigeria police me bomba baso kese papa de bia me de me na be si Nigeria me bomba de se ma be chia mo mpenifo ma be chia mo abojuma ma chese Ghana ni Nigeria de ye ne mo difference be ni ka Ghana for ni Nigeria for the Ghana ni jina na de Nigeria ni jina so anga 106.9 na ye bako ntino me doma se pa
eni a woti ye eye ochehene ukopie mu a oye ochehene ni mfa ehene ono kresi na ye ohene ono ene da asi akwa ekuro no anom ne den ede doctor da sebre twum ampofo a otoso emienu eno achi nso ana asi akwa bremso hima eye nana Adwoa Agyei enso ekire mu sem enama ya mabei mani brade pa chise mahu se be ma da kam ne matu ata no o kire mu sem hwem hu ye firi se ne emranto ani bi enam koti kwan so ede nipa ne bi gisika duro enam kwan so etime kidnap ne penti mana ba momode afa mu se fanya adwuma na mu pasi kan fa ngu mboto na mu nyasa mutudi memma chefi se sika ni bre wo hwei edo wu afa no so di nsem sei edo to die kase bwanim
ye kidnap ba ya na edin na sika sem so wom ti mesre me mama wo asi akwa wo chebi wo fusha omo nyina nhwe omo ho so yie se be ya obema bi frɛ omo a omo ho kwan a omo de ne befa so omo nhwe omo ho so yie enye be ma bia na efrɛ na wama osika na wo gye a ede adepa bi beba ho timesrɛ omo nhwe omo ho so yie na omo ankasa mo omo ho mode na omo nye wo mo adwuma na wo ye wadwuma na osika bo wasen a obema bi frɛ wa wo be konso wo nkɔ no sɛ de me baba sɛ wa ye timesrɛ mo nhwe mo ho so yie ewo mema ho omo efiri baabi frɛfrɛ mo safo nya abai esai emayoa ene mamuwa obi okra ne akɔrepu no timesrɛ mo nhwe mo ho so yie
ani a uti ye kopie mo awasi akwa anempotemo no ena ye brem so hima nana Adwoa Agyei ena wote ne nkan ne kwakura mo no ena ye eye anyinese hene osabara ma ata apia kran Agyei enso akiremu sem Ghana fo nyina du baabi oman ye no ye ho ena hoho ba na Ghana ni hoahoa ne saa ye ne ankasa timamufo ye Ghana fo no mpo one wo nya asama na Ghana ni papa no ankasa Ghana ni na so mo kiremu se enya de panti efiri ne ko ahoho na eba ne ye hwe ne ye pevi se basa ye koso Ghana entoko be se ma hofro bi so adodo na efiri ahoho mo banti no empefansha pam onfansha pam go kana Ghana fo so ni na honom me nso so ahoho so efi se ye ne se bedu baabi ne Ghana entoko be si kurem ne nipakunku be koso no ebe siri ko no so ni sem sei ato de ye kasebo anim
me say sesi a wuti hoyi se ne a wo ne me kasai na o chamete se sebe wo komponya mpengu na o da wan so de ya me free sympathy ma wo but ho a onimu se o de sika kra wo a oye ne bushani ne wo oni odo bia ma wo nti country bia se okubesi mu a via se ne ba bi no abekwa che obetwa se okura country be se welcome to war country ba wo timisi so ta se ne mu ja ho e ba krom mu no na ke se e the violence ba te me se Ghana se pese oba na ye ma no esi ho a Ghana fo na ye adehye no ye hu se adehye ne fo odosonko e ma ye ho saretie ye nsa ye be tragic o ma ne si ho
ani a woti ye ukopie mu awapie matam ni mu a na wurewure mu saa na kakopie mu awasi akwa anempotemu a obo adwuma ye papa na ne den ade eye enyinase hene osabra ma ata apia kran asiedu nene ana wote ne nyina wesuam na yankenka Ghana fo adwenkyere bi Facebook no so na yamfamra mo ne yanto akase bonzo kopie mu e wo sofa na menso fa visa sama to dwenne no eso sine kurei ante Ghana fo ma ye ne yankasa ne yentumi nya wo visa sama dafu no we di eso sine sofa no kram na adwenkyere na ba Kofi Palmer na o kire mi se Ghana de gala eye o malam aka breastfeeding no kire mi se good evening NJ News we nya nyiri we ye dear news o kire mi se MPP de dada na demonstration mu yi ase ne sen ense sahwe NDC na na ekro ntimuntum na kram ya da se pa we so na na kwame o Paris ko Newman o kire mi so highlife edi free insawam total filling station ye bo adwumade ye pan yakopon hirae o kire mi se Ghana man penin John Dramani Mahama 4 years na woba ena de aka kana dwan ya da se pa Ghana ni ye ba won chen sofa na men so min sofa asema da aponso ni wo ba 30 seconds if the time no ko wo ba na wan kan ntem na bagya homa na boss a o sime be yiwa firi so na hofro nso aba hyehyɛ no eya kopie mu awasi akwa bram so hima nana Adwoa Agyei odikan akase kyerem sem ema ya mfo mu nsem fanya adwuma na munya se mama tototo cars ne adade di wo ma che visa sikani bre edo wu afa visa na kunkum ekoso kunkum ma no titiriu na sikani bre ntie nam nimpa bi ekunkum wo no Ghana ni na hima asemi usomu sen 0534050199 0593406565 ene sikajeje ekoso kunkum ya mai de bia de ne yekum betugu wose ho sen hello majo
yaja Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi
Dexon Bada ko doba chima de kro champion menti animre
akwa me da afnya mi sira o ye djuma pa bom peace that's so ni atene se na nan ma ya de na ye mama no na ye bia no ma no obi tie de a nkeye ifisi e me nwonwa na o yo ba sebe won kwan kitiwa bi because obi timi kita phone oni ba bia oko na my friend phones na wa mandales na makotia uzade ya futu papa de nyano ma wuti na bebo
DLFM batepa onko mo ne mu odazano manam Also oba ne nim baby a wo kro so be man directions is ha na akopie mu ho no na za akwaje ta hey kofi me wa fa asifu yi edin 0534050199 and 0593406565 so betimi aba na ojo adwen kyere ndia ba na kan o kyere ma ya na mema no kuwa mu too much eye sikani brentia into oba de ni say ya adwuma be ma bia ntumi na da no entwa ne ti enkede na pono ase wo se ho sen 0534050199 0593406565 na hima no masem ni o Ghana ni wo se ho sen Madwo
hello
Madwo ode sheba na misaka ni
nana kwanso
o nana kwanso a eske dodo a
eske dodo a
champion me yentia no mrei wadwen kyere ne sen
na pa hima ya da na se waka aya sa papa le sesi be ya ma ne be fa ni afem no ndi esrema no se fi ne ko bia pene se untimi ko ton ade kura fo ko hwe adwuma
babu a on
pure water factories ne drink factories be bia ba ko pe bibie sesi be ya o bi nya obetumi ato na ma no so no obi amfa on yesa kawa
okay
ana obi so
meda se pa senior aye de sia mu da ho pa nya me nhyira pi ma me mfa ni sei na me dofo ba kwa ba hello Madwo
o ta Madwo
me de sheba na misaka na numre
aja pisia de nkotoku
better unua de da ho ni o me wafa ase de asie ni
ni ye ba me aka na nu anu no da na mba ye mpeble
ebinom
yo okay ebinim ye mpeble nti ye fa nsa ni yezuma
okay
na te papa bi ko pe na to nsuo kra o mu ko di bitu anka se fa so wo
wa ka sempa lumba nsupa na momra bebre wa ha mo metu bi nkwachini wati ase ya me nhyira pa me mau 500% wati me da ase pi won so betimi aba aka afrefo no mienu pe ne yemfansi ne yenso na Apakan Agyei entena se hello Madwo
hello
me wa fa se be na misaka ni bra kwa me dodo a
bra kwa me dodo good evening
me jusu o Sikapa ai ne ho kafo na te sai
na bla do na se
ya me adoma so achia o
bejere se pa ta na woye
ya me adoma ne ho ya me wa fa se de asie ni yenko
oyo menya ye e ma omo huska hu itro wu
sa
oba huska hu itro wu se o se be ma wande ya oni no na ka tere so pe nti ombra aha ye ombo tumi dade na obotu akọ
okay
ma mene de waka no waka but se no be ya mba pa no
eno ne asem
ahona asem no ti ma no mo fontu o mo ho fo pa na o mo nchi o mo ho si sa de no na mo nko mi nya o
me da se be ojo so pasika chiana ma nko wai ka no aha safi wate nka ho ato eno no yenkwa ye ni ma me fa ni say hello Madwo
good evening
senior oya me last caller odini ma bia kaza free
because I fit them some could video do
Mr. Covidio di mayenti o
me pe say me busa say President Mahama was suspended MPCB sika
yeah sure
enti pe say wo mo di ka asubmit wo mo di ya mo hu say nipa 20 na asubmit wo mo di so ta say
mate pa bet enya no ne asem eda ho ntini mesre kwade de to ho no so ma me wan pa cho
dia asem na to ho
me pa cho sa fi no adwane de na ye sorry wa ya me nhyira opi se won so wo ba so ma me fa ni sei hello Madwo
wo fa
o Madwo fa me pon
na ye wo fa so mo se dai
se de asie ni dada na
yo we de me sere mo pa mu pelu be ngu ba bi ma omu
bebre kura ho omo bom benya bi atu akoton
se suban no se mi ti we me de be kwa koso aka ya yo na o frɛ me dakro no a se me akwa de se ni se wunti wofa me de beton kenke me de kenke be si jaso
better eyepa
wofa nya fufo enka uni Sikapa on baba
me se me da se pa mesre me ntumi mfe afrefo ni bionti yes also we happy birthday enkonfa mo Mr. Prosper Agbawu Mr. Prosper Agbawu head teacher at the Matutu Methodist JHS na ono na Eastern Regional Best Teacher ewo SHS JHS no category no 2024 no na Best Teacher in Career Technology technical skills enti Eastern Region you know na mbo na baso se ne modern boss so ni yepa wo JHS ne mti enne happy birthday fan ko Mr. Prosper Agbawu we head teacher at the Matutu Methodist JHS na me nhyira wo yepa we every Beruma Kweku eye Sechi the second dodo abono ma no se dachi on the chief executive officer Edema Dax Multimedia ntine Mr. Prosper Agbawu head teacher Edema Tutu Methodist JHS Nyankopon Shrao Ompeja o senior non fon fra domu ekwa domu Onya okase pa na Ghana fo nyina hu se we hire fi so modern ba wo bo ye tutu no Nyame nhyira amente ase senior nyame nhyira wo ye pi Kasebon ye de asi emusamufo no eye maize mebela ntwe ne se mu edema yen The Nations MC Komite de ekopie mu e o Facebook no so akenkafo ye mienu edi ameje so etakwade kwetwe krom twa de hyekonkrom Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B aka ehunsuo mpone mene
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa
Yeso so hwan na eba
Apakan GH
Ode de na eba
Sports
Tende se no has na kotokoboye
Ani
Ekosi sei Ana wa hwebi
me de man sure ya na akoma
Ekwadeta epaye obi anhye ne yonko On se me team me se makasa Ghana football na ayeden egu ana meboa
Oh de dada kra
O Ghana team be na support
Ghana hano
team be na support
Ah
na woko outside Ghana so team be na support
Barcelona
Basa
Ani
Unim dwampa wate Madrid ye team o support anka ukranka wira hokra ohun ndi ayen support wate sapa kan wo ba na meboa ana wanya wuram kra nanka hasefo no kan se mi kire watala coach na wasasa no ka me hwede ma Apakan so Apakan hasefo no so mo wasem ka kire watala mo se o scouting a coach
Oya travel to agent. Why? Ask life and I no coach yes. Na ask nya for ya. Catalonia as coach. Ask nya for ya Catalonia as coach. Ya can come media for so so ya no say. Watala fiat for us go. Yeah, as of we problem pass. And who coach with me ba. Em fa sa problem. Em Jesus. Watala san ya coach. Oya travel to agent.
Ya ba mu nyina mo enitia adehye
Jodagbe wotro ya melegbedura no vinyo pogoto fio wotro ya chagama gbado megba no sports ye metwogbo no yimenko enyu DL Power Sports update mere kukuno wotro ya yo madana grona bade na mesia mekropomoto fio no chome radio other DL 106.9 sports air dimila ye meno wotro ya metwogbo na tangbade radio aligia na nenogia anyami ganyobi tuwele bo no ko Facebook YouTube Hefia no yo gbekene menga bubeshe watashie kun woke sports ni ba egbeji DL Power Sports update mepa bo fa gbekene ni ochomoko ni mokwake moko ni mofiamo ke radio for DL 106.9. Good evening to our cherished listeners and viewers watching us live across all our social media platforms. Monday evening we are back on your radio to bring you DL Power Sports update. So please don't hesitate to call a friend to tell a friend that DL Power Sports update is airborne live. Ebusia mamenyina we suna na enwumre. Baby bia obi amema adwoma akwa ba kesepa. Embepie Enquires Ghana ajatum kasafidie kase ba ko pesu DL. Ohani nsia echiripo enkron. Druada enwumre mrewe du sagudi omrante. Yesin kunya na fiti anopa. Agudi onsama wodo ayakwa kopedi amasemufo. Watena se wu so asone so kroje. Intebeni nyina we ye fimni yake die. Osie modu otiefo editie se wote ohwefo edihwe se ohwe ena yen okafo nso no edika se ye kan yatenasia ye de babesuma ya gudie munsama edi adencheche di adanadani ebu mfumpa wa Ghana bibrem eni broni kroso ya tuni din DL Power Sports update abusia baby bia won na nwumre chami kutu ya chechire nsam na bɔ ne bɛdɛ yɛbɛsane mu ɛde agu fam ɛde ama yɛtena se abribia no wɔn sɛ adwuma ko bia da roma ɛna yɛde nsam no ɛde banti nda nwumre kame wɔn yɛmfa seda kɛse aseda kyenkyerenkye ɛmfa ma adwuma ko a yɛ from Lumba nsupa na Lumba nsupa ɛyɛ nsu abadwama nso abusua emu ɔdɛ emu te ɛyɛ kama yɛwɔ ne bottle ɛne yɛwɔ ne sachet na enigye sɛm ne sasoɛ a ɔmo hwɛ nyama yɛdi ɛne ne ayɛnom ɛso ɔma yɛ nhwehwɛmu agye atum sɛ wobɛpie mu Ghana na opensuo ba ko emu ɔdɛ na yɛ kama a onom ɛmfɔ ha obi amrɛ de abusua ɛnoa ne Lumba nsupa enti afiefie mononom dwumadie bia odi bia no fa som wa hoho ɛno achi mu amotontonsuo no Lumba nsupa no ɛna monton na sika ɛmra mo botom bibia ɛfa nsuo ho a yɛ nom de ɛnoa ne Lumba nsupa enti bombɔde ana pebi nom na bibia ɛnyɛ kama ɛmfama ɛni gye samane se yato apete baabi a obia obenya bi atɔwɔ enti mu amwo dansoma ɛne ne mpatem madam abanyameche mubenya bi wona kache ɛwɔ P2 Snane ɔbɛn Lumba sport no monfrɛ madam abanyameche ɛwɔ 0557 349 401 ɛno achi ɔfanko Mama Vic akache ɛwɔ Sport M Washing Bay ubenya bi wɔ monfrɛ Mama Vic ɔfanko fo no ɛwɔ 0500 680-783 Lumba nsupano upe bi ato ebusia DLFM ya kache ewo nkran Gbogwa Junction yene Wisconsin International University na di animhwe bombodi ya room wo ya kache ubenya bi etumi ato ewa Fred numbers we na jinchire mu bi afafa Lumba nsupano 0355 no wabo 5 miensa na wabo 27 47 57 0555 274757 and 0577 475343 Lumba in Supana Numre Omukita mu yadi DL Power Sports update no Edinburgh from afar kwame afumkan yadi ensemno eba and a champion coffee tailor obi nimni ye no abrante bebu ahwe ahyemewa ono so dey to Facebook and YouTube DLFM 106 na wetumi akọ na wakwa kwahwe dwumade ne bi na bibia aye kama me ametie kunya kesie mu ede ensem no eba na edi amegye so no eye ayensu ano de hye Apakan GH the blazer kinami nim se me amenuaba sezi journalist no ne me be sports radio emre ne kola ne maybe zanzo ne me be sports nana waborum abetena se wono so taichire yede ensem ne ba yentie we yaba yebesi fama tuja na nwure ede agudie mu nsem na so mo hye
Apakan GH wode nyansa de wadiawo wo interview wo kasai wa hobrase wo radio mu kire se wo yo pabe ne wo radio mampa enti kaga group
yanka jango mane yantu jana nyumre mfan samono mfamrodia yansha semfan fi Ghana mbaba wane mrantia esi akan wa mono ne yemfom wonsam emfa ensomori yansha se emfan fi mana kachi uremo ewo German Bundesliga ewo ma yefene Germany yefre boboko bi abi Leipzig no mo mba timu no me no kase ni je samane se o ma sign Ghanaian 19-year-old forwarder yefene Persis Oten enti me no kase Ghana baywa yefene Persis Oten no abi Leipzig omo ma timu no etumi assign no 3 years contract no mo di amano until 2028 no Ghana baywa yefene Persis Oten no ekosina kan ediama abi Leipzig omo mba timu na ye from abi Leipzig friend eho enoko na wakosina kan yere wonsam ede amao uram e Tottenham Hotspur omo mba timu na kachia ye fre Ghana baywa bi Batlet entry na Batlet entry abaywa we nanka owo nwa kwenya se obesi akandi ama no ne emma tims ne be nanso enije samane se Black Princess of Ghana Women's Under 20 team no oma tonsa dia fra baywa ye friend Batlet entry and me no ka say Batlet entry eba na waba besi akan e dia ma Ghana Under 20 Women's team na ye from Black Princess of Ghana ye tumi abom nkomo e de achiro yemremo e wo mema na fam na otwe omo a etoto ntena e de mo various teams no yembo e ho nkomo mfa nchoria yensha semfa fi English Premier League no na wo English Premier League no boboku a ye fa Leicester City tena fie academy no Southampton entumante na Black Stars of Ghana striker ye fa Jordan Ayew on the day no ono ena oshe second goal no etimi de ma boboku a ye fa Leicester City 44th minute ena Jordan Ayew e de sabo ne de to atena e de ma boboku a ye fa Leicester City a ye bo e nkomo e de achiro Turkish Super League no boboku a ye from Alliance Sport etna fie ene Kersia Sport ekoti obi a hye ne yonko eka baako na Ghana Brantia your friend Joseph Atamalawe Brantia ni she on goal 30th minute Edema Alliance Posia Kain Edema Kesirius Po now so she no on goal Edema Bobo Kwa your friend Alliance Po on the 30th minute eno to me she sa on goal na ya bo e won komo enso ede achro yanto aso e won samfu from dia Switzerland league no FC Basel echi Bobo Kwa your from Servette abo mekanum omotimu ba kom Ghanaian defender Kasim Nuhu Adams and she equalizer no Edema Bobo Kwa friend Servette 55th minute and Kasim Nuhu Adams etumi she sa go na yere won some diamao Austrian Bundesliga no Bobo Kwa friend Rapid Vienna omotina fie ema Wolfsberger AC bo mekaba kwa omo tumi ante Ghanaian ringer David Atanga and she the only goal in the game no Edema Bobo Kwa friend Wolfsberger AC 63rd minute and David Atanga etumi she sa go na ya bo e won komo Edema Sweden leg no Bobo Kwa friend Hamstad she kanai Vanamo etimumi no Ghanaian forward Naim Muhammad Eshe 2 goals Edema Bobo Kwa your friend Hamstad 44th and 48th minute and Otumisha sa 2 goals no Edema Bobo Kwa your friend Hamstad and ya Brantia your friend Naim Muhammad no komo and yetumi Edi Eriacho na UPM our Norway League no mzwa more de etna fieshe economy no Hagasand eti Mubakom na Ghanaian forward your friend Jala Abdullahi and Eshe the second goal no Edema Mode 90+7 minutes and Brantia your friend Jala Abdullahi etumisha sago ndima modia yabo ehon komodi acho na Cyprus league no Bobo Kwa your friend Ethnicos Achnam and so etna fieshe academy no AEL Limassol and to me ante former Drinsase omo midfielder Yimano Lomote and a second goal no edema Bobo Kwa your friend Ethnicos Achnam 86th minute and Yimano Lomote ede sabo ne de to atrema yabo ehon komodi acho na otwim Ghana mrante ne maba wa isi akan ewo amanone omo nkomo nyina and yetumi abo ede amao enso ho a yede ehon komo ede amao yemremo ewo Ghana men's under 20 na kache na UPM ewo Egypta under 20 men's AFCON eguso a ekoswo na group C second game enanwumre ahase no nsia ahase na Mirror Studio no na Ghana ahye kanaba kwa Senegal entumenti enti yebo mpai se in the Ghana yebetumi ede apon ana yebehye bia kan se na bayan kunimide no ebetumi akọ ede ama Ghana yabo nkomo ede achonti Mirror Studio ne de na Ghana under 20 member no Black Satellite yashaba kwa Senegal entumi entia eho enkomo eno no na ebusia obeka ya Nansea and Ghana Football Association President Kate Yesokrekuinde no Confederation of African Football yetwanitia FN CAF eneno omobo Kate Okrekudin say second vice president Edema CAF omra no mbedi sa adwuma no na enkrofo bebre na kasadi afasa appointment a Kate enya no na Mr. Osetutu Agyman aka Kotoro Ashanti Regional RFA chairman Osiket Okreko enya second vice president Edema CAF no we no very good news Edema Ghana yem football no na ono Mr. Osetutu Agyman aka Kotoro de onya surprise esanse one monitor Kate Okreko a wa ba adwuma ye papa enti sa appointment we de ono Mr. Osetutu Agyman aka Kotoro no enya ne nwanwa ba ku say
more than good news na mimum dia anya nwanwa because we said the you hold the negative side of people. That is why we criticize. But so be closely. Now really you are into what he's doing. You get to know really President Yesukeku. He's doing very well.
Na Mr. Osetutu Agyman aka Kotoro tuane Samson odi tuja say Kate Okreko no eba na adwumaden a obo adwumaden ye pa ena ni nim de ne sabi ni nyansa wo football mo no e wo suru ye pa nti oda nyame ase say nyankopon etumagina saade ne so e de pagya Kate Okreko akodum pempenso waduye say second vice president Edema CAF na sa achievement a Kate Okreko enyen ebe boa Ghana football ye pa ema Ghana football etumi edum pempenso a ye nyina ye hwehwe no
until we are very hardworking and the knowledge in football was strong. Yeah, until Namini Danasi because it will go a long way to help Ghana football grow. And I said we would do position business. Adwoa Agyei Sikapa, Tamana President Kosinyante Chiwono. And then we will call a year children to me coffee for the boy be brave.
Mr. Osetutu Agyman aka Kotoro Ashanti Regional RFA Chairman and our Kasadia Faket Okreko na appointment wenya as second vice president our Kafa and then ya bon komo de achiro now yemremo na otwi game seto dwa Ghana ne yemfa wonsam fama de man on leg no etumi aba na wie me no kasa division 1 and Ghana Premier League no and games ekoso na ebusia division 1 league na otwi na ye match day 26 result a epiepie mo no say na tie zone 1A match day 26 Northern City 0 Wa Power 0 Victory Club Warriors 2 Yape FC 1 Wa Sorenante 1 Wale Catholic Stars 0 and a Real Tamale United 0 Tamale City 0 Zone 1B no WB United 1 Wanamafo Mighty Royals 0 Techima Heroes and some to me echi Bobo Kwa ya freno Techima 11 Wonders and so etumi guoma yade awonsam enso ede aso na uramo zone 2 nso asenete niwadi biase 2 Elimina Sharks 0 Kim Faiza 1 Mysterious Abusuadras 0 Enzima Kotoko 0 Swedro All Blacks 3 Park Academy enso 3 Second 11 Wise 0 and Afensu UCC Youngsters 2 Future Stars 0 Rose Park 1 Asekem 0 Sky FC enso 2 and Bekwai Heroes 0 and Soccer Intellectuals 2 Seshi All Stars enso 1 yabo enwonkomo enso edi achirewa enye asem ketwa na zone 3 no FC Nania 1 Atram Divisa 0 Golden Kick 5 King Palace FC 0 Port City 1 Okwa United 0 Kotoku Royals 0 Home Stars 2 Kofodia Sempefi 1 Owa United 2 Great Olympic 0 na God FC 3 and Akachi All Stars 0 True Democracy 2 and so on our train games are etoga division 1 league no result no and ya bo enwonkomo nyina and so ediacho yemrem Ghana Premier League no na yemmo enwonkomo nkyere dia na our train na match day 30 dano fiada no Bobo kwa friend media matena fie echi Vision FC bomeka pole miensa ema Vision eti mubako na enro akwesiara games aka no etodwa the Ghana's version of the El Clasico etodwa Hato Folk Anshebi Asante Kotoko Anshebi ntendra big game no Hat ene Kotoko kotie obi antuma mfa ball Anthony Yonkwatinam 0-0 NAPM Heart of Lions 2 FC Samates 1996 1 Bechem United 1 Legon City 0 Aduana Football Club 3 Brekumi Chelsea 2 Young Apostles 2 Basicoli Stars 0 Nations FC 1 Accra Lions 0 and Babiani Ghost Stars 0 Kara United and so a 1 na league table ni senate Nations FC already kan 54 points out of Lions to me no 53 points Babiani Ghost Stars miensa omo 53 and 9 Asante Kotoko 51 and enum ne ya mediama omo 47 House of Folk atosunsia omo 46 okwa asewa omo ada relegation zone 16th Accra Lions 32 points 17th position Legon Cities omo 25 points and in Swaterman omo fi league no kwadada omo twato 18th omo 15 points yerewonsam edema top scorers no say na tie Stephen Amankuna Brekumi Chelsea 13 goals no washe Faiza Chawete Nations FC washe 11 goals Nana Kwame Opom Heart of Lions 11 goals no washe and Samuel Atakumi Babiani Ghost Stars 9 goals Joseph Eso Dream Stars ononso abo 9 goals edi egu atenama yabo enwonkomo enso edi achiro na otwi games ne kwa wie ne mrantia eje man of the match no senete Hato Folk ene Kotoko Kevin Osesibe Hato Folk ono no eje man of the match Media Man Vision Kama Adini Mamudu eye media man player na eje man of the match Nations FC ene Accra Lions no Sadiq Alasa Nations player ene eje man of the match Bechem United ene Legon City Azaya Nyako Bechem United player ene eje man of the match Heart of Lions ene Samates Yaudan so Heart of Lions player ene eje man of the match Babiani Ghost Stars ene Kara United Kevin Opon Babiani Ghost Stars player ene eje man of the match Young Apostles ene Basicoli Stars no Joseph Kwansa eye player de Young Apostles ono eje man of the match ene Aduana Football Club ene Bechem United ana Brekumi Chelsea Aduana ni Brekumi Chelsea no Sedu Sana Aduana Football Club player ene eje man of the match na Heart of Folk ene Kotoko game no kwawie no coaches no edi nkomo Abubakar Watara coach the House of Folk or see obi a House of Folk disappointed for result na omunya nanso enya bad one Kotokobo na unya draw omo befane sa Abubakar Watara
all of us we are disappointed for the result but no bad we are taking it like that we can't say anything like this we are coming to win. The opponent also coming to win. We play draw. I think
It's enough for everyone.
Abubakar Watara no Watenenka Kevin Osesibe a defender Edema Hato folk ono ena oje man of the match no ne yebisan se den ena etumi motivating and money mono ekos rosa ena say for some time now no say has ne kotokohia na wakoye mfumso ema go aba na yeba beko game no na kotokofo ne kan say obekwa akoye samfumso ne bi mo tete say kotokofo kasa asem na hye ni nkura ye pa ena oye na adwon so obebobo no waboni ye ena ma otumije man of the match.
Mistakes are part of football, and when you do a mistake, you learn from your mistakes. So what they were doing motivates me to focus on this game till the 90 minutes till the referee blows the whistle. So what they did motivates me. So it's part of the game, and it's okay.
Kevin Osesibe a defender Edema Hato folk man of the match. Ewo game no na Watenenka Hato folk supporters no. Game no call we no omochiro ma dwen kakra yenti omo
and results are not has to folk expected because coming into the game maybe I has done it it's not you share your rivals they see winning this game but unfortunately it's me winning and I'm sure your team now your goalkeeper is very good defense don't so bad but 2 and 3 hold on problem kakra then
date fee 1.5 300 cedi and the house ne kotokomat here
Hato folk supporters after giving a query no mochiro ma dwen yade won samria ma Abdul Karim Zito interim coach Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko o si game no na a very nice game omo ba game no so mbehye go omo ye bibia create chance na so chance omo create no omo mese omo ntumi amfa nto atenemu na omo man read game na omo no obeka se draw ne yes and se won has bo na wonya draw a when lose so obefa ne sa.
Well, I think it was a nice game. We came in to score. We did everything. We created chances. We were not focused. So that was my problem. But if you look at the chances we squandered, we'll have won this game. But it's better than losing. So I'm okay. Yes, and I'm very much impressed with the fan. They came in their numbers more than before.
Abdul Karim Zito say has folk team no win sign. And also on kasa bebre non kwa kasa bi nembe dominate headlines. Say wakasa edi tia house folk na obeka say has ba game no ya o madwen say omo be hye no ma wini na has create chance bi na kotoko goalkeeper ni save here. Apart from that no obeka say when share the hu chance bi a Hato folk e create bi.
You saw a little bit of House of Folk, a little bit of like they what should I say? I don't want to say something that you people take. So I see them. They also wanted to win, especially when they had a chance and then the goalkeeper get point. Aside that, I didn't see any chances they were able to create. But it's like the moment that House of Folk are from, it's not like ours. You understand me? So I, in particular, also came in with another moment which is very, very critical.
Coach Abdul Karim Zito interim coach Edema Asante Kotoko no Watenenka na Kumasi Asante Kotoko oba supporter bi no one brutal very beautiful girl ono so ekasa after the game no o say referee no ya bias towards Kotoko 50-50 bi kra decision bi a enko obeye ni 50-50 no na wa Giama has afenso no or question in the match commission and say adan and now the man of the match and the man Kevin says he based on the Kotoko players no na ebi money more so editing Kevin or say SB.
I think the game was good. Between both sides, Kotoko was better, obviously. But then I did not like the referees officiating. It was like I would give him like a 60% because all the clear chances that Kotoko had, he was being biased. He wasn't really favoring. Like, he wasn't neutral. He was favoring us. And then we had a clear penalty incident. He didn't take. The yellow card incident, it doesn't really make sense. But then at the end of the game, why did SB win man of the match? How did he win man of the match? You can clearly see that Baba Yaya was better. Team Menu was okay. So how did he win the man of the match? For those points, I wasn't okay with it. But then overall, I'll give the game a 60%. It was okay.
A beautiful female Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporter after the game no and no chira na adwen no one fe brutal Onya abayo ano office or sape football e kamatu. Afiba se mempene number mfama no. Enti no mempene number na me di ama afiba. Na nkomo wo no ne na di. Ya boni to ne ya sore so ama no ne me no kase na anwumre. Matches twego e broni cross top 5 legs no. English Premier League ya bought Simano Dubakon. Crystal Palace enshebie. Nottingham Forest enshebie. Spanish La Liga e Spain Simano Dumie no. Girona Shabakon. Real Marocca entumi entie. Italy Italian Serie A Simano Edionunson 27 minutes. Genoa enshebie Bobokwa ye fen AC Milan enso enshebie. Twedi ampo Nyankopon eya adomna ye wan hoode ochena ye ba result ni nyina no ye de ebema na uram ewo Liverpool Boboko na kachi ewo England a omo English right back bi ye friend Trent Alexander-Arnold na Senam penifo kan no bema beye bi wan beye ni nyina brand no officially wa announce say season we kwa na wie a after 20 years I was spending our Liverpool now there's so many nyina ba na wie up a new challenge into okobe before na wa kwa kosi akan na clear indications any bibia kire say Trent Alexander-Arnold ebe dwane Real Madrid Boboko no was Spain season no eba na wie as a free agent here won some amount na ni achievement say na tie English Premier League ogimie no UEFA Champions League ogibako FA Cup ogibako UEFA Super Cup ogibako FIFA Club World Cup bako 2 times Liverpool Player of the Year no obem and 3 times PFA Team of the Year obem English Premier League Team of the Year no so obemu bako UEFA Team of the Year obemu bako and FIFA Team of the Year so no obemu bako after 20 years season we ba na wie Trent Alexander-Arnold fi Liverpool ordinary chemo e Real Madrid na Real Madrid for no say omo de omo adwen nenam omo tete no mu se player bi so no ye kese na ne contract ne ba wie no ma dada player no normal finance free agent from 2021 sabra na no mo omo fa world class players as free agent 2021 David Alaba or a defender omo fan as free agent edin fi Bayern Munich 2022 Antonio Rudiger na defender as a free agent omo fan from Chelsea Kylian Mbappe 2024 or a attacker omo fan as a free agent edin fi Paris Saint-Germain and 2025 free agent Trent Alexander-Arnold as a defender omo fan edin fi Liverpool into Real Madrid for no says omo adwen and omo de nam edi fan for top players as a free agent they want some edema Carlo Ancelotti manager edema Real Madrid akato na bro na Brazil for announce no officially say oye new manager edema Brazilian national team nti ne akika kwedie Real Madrid any Carlo Ancelotti aware no aba na wie ne amete ne say next week after El Clasico announcement ne beba say Carlo Ancelotti fi Real Madrid edi ne ni akire mu ewo Brazil national team no na ne amidi to mesrebo no ochina big game Airbus wo Italy Giuseppe Meazza UEFA Champions League second leg Inter Milan and live Barcelona Inter Milan ne Barcelona first leg no 3-3 e Spain ochina why na qualify Alessandro Bastoni player at the Inter Milan say Lamine Yamal or the best player ever aweshia no into ochina omo be double and be triple amma ki abrantia ye fen Lamine Yamal se ne be ochina on to me enyani day against Inter Milan and so officially no in the German Bundesliga 2024-2025 no Bayern Munich NRJ Hurricane hey after finally Hurricane Agyei first ever career trophy and he weigh a 34th Bundesliga title for Bayern Munich Hurricane Agyei first ever trophy ebusia yam fancy na DJ Afiba amfa awoso ne nento asom famam zigibi atia ne na chika krantinde Afiba na take over aseda kese enkoma kwame fum baby obia na otechire yede nsam no eba sports team ni nyina na obia kan ma yede nsam ne bai sanso na kofitela aseda kese ye ode enko Facebook YouTube social media ema Ghana phone wiase nyina enya bi hwe me amebetena mo ade nsam no ebesom di amege so no eye ayensu ano de hye Apakan GH the blessed ki me amebra penny Mr. Kofi Ayenu wa ayensu ano so wate ena nwumre wabiem ku ha one wife sister Mary mutie ntimi nchiamo ewo ayensu ano so wate ena nwumre ebusia ye ko DJ Afiba eba ba woso sa kwa kosise nondu ebebo until we meet again assalamu alaikum ya kreo bibia
hey Kwame